Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PayPal business account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove API access to your PayPal business account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove API access in your PayPal business anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some service providers, when you need to accept payments in their website, require you to connect your PayPal business via API. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PayPal business account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PayPal business account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove API access to your PayPal business account, you're going to click on Developer here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see this button here. It's called API Credentials. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the apps that have access to your PayPal business via API. So you just want to scroll through the list until you find the app that you would like to remove API access to. So for example, this one right here. And once you found the app, off to the right, you're going to see these three little dots. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this little pop-up, edit or delete. In order to remove API access, you're going to go ahead and click on delete. Okay, next you're going to get this pop-up. Are you sure you want to delete access to this particular app? If you're sure, you're going to go ahead and type in the name of the app here and then click on delete. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this green pop-up that app was deleted from my API credentials. So now that app no longer has access to my PayPal business. So if I'm going to be accepting payments through the app, I'll need to come back in here and add it. Also, one thing I want to let you know is they do require you to type in the name of the app. So it's going to be exactly as it appears on the top. Let me show you what I mean. So let me go ahead and click on this one. Okay, so here, this is my FreshBooks API. So I can't just type in FreshBooks here. I'll need to type all this out. My app, second site, or Inc., or DBA_FreshBooks. That will need to be typed right here. You can't just type in FreshBooks. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove API access to your PayPal business account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.